has expired. Oh, yes. And now, when they came to our land, we discovered a lot of things that they have done in our land. Yes. And right now, England, Britain, we are telling you today that we are no more part of Nigeria again. Yes. You join us together by force. Yes. We are 3 tribes in Nigeria: Yòrùbá, Hausa, and Igbo. Oh yes. Right now, the Igbo people are on the race to depart from Nigeria. Yes. Fulani, they are the people terrorists in Nigeria. We are no more part of Nigeria anymore. Oh yes. What we want now, we want to heart of Nigeria. Yes. We want to exist for Nigeria. Yes. Nigeria is no more our country anymore. Yes. We Yòrùbá, we have the culture, we have the integrity, we have the potential, we have the abilities. In our land, we have enough to sustain our nation. Yes. We are over millions. Yes, in Brazil alone, we are over 70 million. In America alone, we are over 80 million. In England, we know the numbers of Yòrùbá people in this country. When the Oni of Ife came to America, in Pennsylvania, they mentioned it, and it was addressed that Yòrùbá ethnic, they are the largest ethnic in Africa. Oh, yes. Why Britain? Why are you holding us down? If you are not getting something in our land, you are tipping our property. Britain, enough is enough. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. We don't want our people to be killed in our land anymore. Our women, they cannot walk freely. They are being kidnapped. They have been massacred. And they have been killing our people. And even though our youth, there's no future for youth in this country today. In America, in Britain, what you people believe most, the youth are the future of tomorrow. But today, no more youth in the land of Nigeria. No more future for youth. No more future for youth in Nigeria. That is why we youth will stand also, and we are saying we are no more part of Nigeria anymore. And right now, the genocide is going on in Nigeria. They are killing our people. They are killing